Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job was to save you money. Today I'm working on a 1999 Nissan Pathfinder with a 3.3, it's a 6-cylinder automatic, two-wheel drive, little SUV. So the problem is when you accelerate sometimes the vehicle will stay accelerated. So I went for a test drive to confirm or duplicate the customer complaint, and in fact sometimes if you take off slowly, the vehicle runs nice, smooth, perfect for the age of the vehicle, no problem. But if you try to take off really quick, as you take off and try to decrease the speed, the vehicle just keep going and going. So I determined so far the gas pedal cable, which is this one right here, the one it lost the protection here, is getting stuck, is deteriorated and the inside. So we are going to replace that. I'm going to bring you along and show you how it's done. Okay, for this repair we're gonna have to go underneath on the pedals here, and so far it seems to be pretty straightforward. Right there behind the gas pedal, this one right here all the way to the right, there are two bolts. It seems to be 10mm. I'm gonna try to show you as much as I can there, but because of the amount of space that I'm working with, hopefully you guys can see. Either way, I do apologize in advance, but I'm doing as much as I can. Believe me, I don't like to be like this, working in a very limited amount of space. Okay, that's one. We're gonna go for the second one. Perfect. Those two are loose. Now we have to remove them. Hopefully you guys can see everything on the video. There's one. It's a 10mm. Let's get the other one. There are two. Now here, this I believe I'm gonna be able to pull this here. Let me see. Okay, I have to remove the little clip here. Sorry about that. Okay, terrific, got it. So I'm gonna show you how it is, because it's gonna be kind of a little bit challenging to picture it. Okay, so this is the cable right here. Let's see if you guys can see. Okay, that is the cable here, and this little retainer, you have to pull it out of the metal right there, the pedal over there, so that way you can just slide over the cable and get done with it. All right, so now let's go in the engine compartment so you guys can see, have enough lighting. Okay, so this is the one we're working on right here. So it's a 14mm. We want to break it loose. We don't want to do more work than we need to. So now we can slide it over here, give it some gas, pull this, and yes, indeed, this gets stuck in some areas. Okay, so we just pop it from there. Give me a second. I hope lift it, lift it here. Now we're going to go back inside the car so we can actually pull this cable all the way. If we okay with it. Let's take your time. Yes. All right. Now let's take a quick look here. Okay, this, it gets stuck right there. Right there is not, it is not smooth at all. All right. Now so this one, nice and smooth, no problemos whatsoever. Right there. This one actually you can see here, hopefully you guys can see it right there. It's kind of like damage, or like it's a lot of buildup, prevent it from moving. So now what we need to do is going to be just to go back inside the vehicle and reinstall a slider, and we're gonna have to guide it right through there. Through there, probably you can see the light over there, so that's what's gonna happen. All right, so let me leave here the camera. Yes, you guys probably can see it. Alright, so we have to guide this. I'm gonna pull it. And this is gonna go underneath. That way our customer doesn't have any issues here trying to drive and have any accidents. That would be pretty sad. Okay, we gotta slide it more. There it is. Now we can move it. So we're gonna install it first over there inside, so that way we don't have to fight this thing. All right, so really quick here. So here, this bar is placed lower. Okay, this is on the top, this is the lower side, and that's pretty much it. Slide it over and push this plastic into the pedal. It's going to snap in place, prevent it from coming out, and you can come here and adjust your cable. So I'm not trying not to make this video very long, so I'm going to wrap it up here. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. I will do my best to help you out and answer any questions you might have. Do your best, forget the rest. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Later.